Hang on, guys. Okay. So we found maybe the best rapper of all time. Maybe.
Okay, where you
And then, his name's Lil Wizit. And he's pretty good. And, Lincoln's not here today. But,
I'm not
yeah.
at my friend's house, so I'm not on Xbox.
Dude, this kid's insane. Not the only one. Eh.
There's a kid right there running down. I can't shoot him all.
Okay, that was pretty sick. Not gonna lie, I think he's pretty good. Now, this kid, I think, is even better.
There's a great attack for you right here if you want it. Oh, sick! Okay. Oh, you streaming? Alright.
No, you don't.
Yeah, they're in there somewhere. Dude, Billy, your A button doesn't work.
What?
Alright. I got one.
Wait, what'd he say?
Nice. Above. Nice.
This kid is...
Dude, this A button doesn't work.
Is it time? Jeez, this kid. Oh my gosh. Dude, this kid's actually good.
Start.
Okay, let's check him out. What's his name? Fin64. Okay. Fin64. Let's see if he's actually a decent. Oh, there's 2 wins maybe.
Oh, another one.
Heck.
I hear him.
So I think he's actually has Fin64. So
I hit one.
he might actually be a decent YouTuber.
32 lights.
I'm not sure, but
You got both of them?
that's what he looks like. I think that's the title of the other video.
Oh, there's a purple tech here for you.
So there's Minecraft.
I already have one.
And now, yeah. So we're gonna actually compare their 2 channels, Fin64 and then the other people that, made a diss on him on Socialblade, which isn't always 100% correct, but we'll see. Alright, so we have the channels up here. We have Lil Wizit, Fin64, and one more. So, yeah, let's see. Okay, so here's the total subs. The total subs is, Fin64 is destroying MLG Fuser. I don't know what MLG Fuser is even talking about. He's kind of annoying. So we have daily subs. That doesn't really matter. Future projections. This is the stuff that actually matters. Okay, so low is supposed to say it's 7. These guys are supposed to get up to close to 4,000 by 25. But again, with Finn up ahead, so I think Finn is definitely a better channel. You guys could go check out so see if his content's actually better. But here, who else was singing in the song? Block of Mav. Okay, let's see if this is.
Where is he? Do you see him?
Let's see if he has a channel. The Block of Mav. The Block
Oh yeah.
of
There's
Mav.
one
Okay.
right here fighting marauders.
Block of Mav doesn't exist. Let's see if he has a channel.
Oh, he's white. He's white.
The Block of Mav. The Block of Mav.
Nice.
PO. That I don't know if this is him.
There was a kid that drove off in a car way over there. That's driving.
He kind of looks like.
He's probably in the
Never mind, he doesn't. I don't know. This kid just. I'm not sure if he has a channel or not, but that'd be pretty cool if he did. Now let's compare them to me. See if I have. I'm not too. I mean, I don't have too much subs. So, what the heck? Ice Empathic doesn't exist. Oh, I see it.
Yeah, I'm trying to not waste my AR anymore.
There we go.
Okay.
I just started in early July, so I don't have too many subs.
Let's go slow. Got one.
Okay. So, I'm right up with them, actually. I'm right up with MLG Fuser. What the heck? Within the future, I'm supposed to be up with them.
Dang.
That's kind of interesting, because I only have... Well, he actually only has 30 subs more than me. That kind of makes sense. That kind of makes sense. But... Oh, we have daily views, on average, what our daily views are. Daily average subs. Oh, 1 sub per day. Oh, we can see our most views in a day. What the heck? How did he get... He lost 3,000 views in a day? Hold up. What the heck? He lost 3,000 not subs. Views in a day. How much is the most subs somebody's lost? MLG Fuser has, did he delete a video or something? This guy lost 5 subs in a day. That's nothing. What the heck? Okay, so we're also gonna do one more thing. We're gonna do my friend's old channel, my 3 friends at my old channel, and my old channel. You know, so we have my friend Riley and my friend Thomas. Thomas is actually here right now, but he's not here. He's here. He's disappeared. He sleeps underneath my couch at night. That's why he's here. He's crying himself to sleep and eating bread right now. Okay, my channel name was Mary Lockery because I vlogged on my mom's phone. That was her email. I thought it was so cool. What the heck? That's not my channel icon. I'm so... Okay. The channel... What the heck? Mary Lockwood. This is her. I actually had 30 subs at some point, I believe. Okay, let's just copy the link. And then, what the heck? What? Okay, guys. This is so dumb. Okay, we have it right here, and we can just compare. Go check the channel out, because it was actually kind of really weird.
I'm dead. This kid has a charge on me and I have nothing.
There we go, okay. This is what it was. So I really made a bunch of fake accounts back then, I think.
Nice.
And then he subbed to both of us. And we both lost. See, we both lost subs on the same day because the bots got eliminated. We both lost. Oh, that's yeah. We both lost. He went from he had 60, 61 to 48. He lost 13, and I had 25, and I lost 5. He lost 13. So he definitely subbed a more thing. I don't really care though. He lost how many subs? Negative 13 in a day. Okay. Future projections. Thomas is supposed to be close to 4K. I think that's because he's still gaining subs. Like maybe once or two a month. Me and Ridley haven't got a sub in probably like a year. Here, what's the last time we had a subscriber? July of 2020. What the heck? Ridley was still losing subs. Not gaining any, just losing some. He gained 1 in April of 20.
What happened?
But look at that, that's crazy.
Oh, okay.
In 5 years. Oh crap, it's dying. Okay, in 5 years, we will have the 55, 27, 1,000. So in 5 years, Thomas is supposed to have almost 2,000 subs. Which doesn't make sense because up here it says he's gonna have 3,000. So that's kind of confusing. But main release saying at 27 and 55, and then for views though, I think this is look, Ridley's supposed to destroy both of us. Thomas is almost gonna have more views than subs, so that's kind of weird. So I'm not sure if like there's a glitch in it or if there's 2 possible outcomes for it. But either way, something's wrong with it. I'm trying to plug in my computer. Okay, so that might be all for today. Thanks for staying. Yeah, bye.